everyone. So in this video we will discuss question number 10. The following is the balance sheet of Vinod Limited as on 31st March 2005. Liabilities rupees, assets rupees. Share capital 10,000, 8% redeemable preference shares of rupees 10 each. Look at here, we have here two types of preference share. One is 10,000, other one is one is 8%, other one is 7%. So here we have 10,000, 8% redeemable preference shares of rupees 10 each, that is 10,000 into 100, 1 lakh. Okay. Next, we have 20,000, 7% preference shares of rupees 10 each, but they have paid only 5 rupees. See, these shares are fully paid and these shares are partly paid. So 20,000 into 5 rupees, it will be 1 lakh. Next, 20,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 2 lakh. Security premium, we have 80,000. See, please remember, this is non-divisible profit. General reserve is divisible profit. Capital reserve is non-divisible profit. P&L account is divisible profit. And current liabilities, they have given 1 lakh. So out of 4 reserves, one is security premium is non-divisible. General reserve is divisible. Capital reserve is non-divisible. P&L account is divisible. Okay. Next, we'll go to assets. Fixed assets, this is non-current. Investment, they have given 1 lakh. Stock, they have given. Debtors, they have given. Bank, they have given. So total will be 8 lakh from both assets and liabilities side. On 1/4/2005, the company redeemed the preference shares at a premium of 10%. Please remember, the company is redeeming preference shares at a premium of 10%. In order to pay off the preference shareholders, it sold its investment for 95,000. Look at here, the book value of investment is 1 lakh, but the investment will be sold for how much? 95,000. That means they're selling investment for a loss of how much? 5,000. Loss is 5,000. Please remember. Okay. Next, all payments were made except to 60 shareholders. Please remember, at the 7th journal entry, while making payment, they have done payment to all the shareholders except for 60 shareholders they have done. Okay, who could not be traced. I mean, they are making payment for all the shareholders. Look at here. We'll discuss which all payment were made. See. For making payment, they are going to make payment for all the shareholders except for 60 shareholders. We will discuss. The company issued fully paid bonus shares in the ratio of 1:1 to equal. Look at here, the company is also issuing bonus shares, that is in the ratio of 1:1. How many shares we have? 20,000 shares we have. For 20,000 shares, they are issuing for every 1 shareholders, they are giving 1 shares. Okay, we will discuss. For every 1 share, equity shares, they are giving 1 extra bonus shares. First one, see, we will discuss one by one. See here, what they have given, they have not given what, which, see, there are two types of preference share. One is 8%, other one is 7%. They have not given whether to redeem only 8% or whether to redeem only 7%. If the question is silent, what you need to do, you should redeem both the preference shares. So 8% shares we have, 8% shares we have, you need to redeem even this one, and even you have to redeem 7%. But 8% shares are fully paid. You don't have to make a call. But 7% shares are partly paid. That means you need to make a call. First, we'll make a call for 7% preference shares. That is, how many shares we have? 20,000 shares we have. Okay, 20,000 shares we have. So 20,000 into 5 rupees. I mean, out of 10 rupees, they have paid 5 rupees. That means they have to make a call for 5 rupees. So 20,000 into 5 rupees. It will be 1 lakh. Okay. Now, the first, see, step number 1 is, if there is any partly paid, you need to make a call. Step number 2 is the due entry you have to pass. Third one, if there is any issue of shares, you need to pass journal entry. And step number 4 will be, like, if there is any sale of assets, you need to make journal entries. And step number 5 will be that divisible profits will be transferred to CRR account. And step number 6 will be, if the preference shares are redeemed at a premium, then that premium should be paid out of security premium or divisible profits. And step number 7 is making payment, and 8th one is bonus shares. Now, in this question, we have partly paid shares. That means we have step number 1. Okay, we'll look at step number 1. So 7% preference shares, that is 1 lakh we have. 5 rupees they have paid. That means balance 5 rupees to be collected. So 7% preference share final call account, 20,000 into 5 rupees, it will be 1 lakh to 7% preference share. See, you don't have to make call for 8% because the shares are fully paid. And the same amount will be received in the second journal entry. Bank account data to preference share final call account, 1 lakh each. And third one, Now you have to pass, step number 2, due entry you need to pass. Since we are redeeming both the preference shares, so you have to write 8% redeemable preference shares 1 lakh, 7% redeemable preference share 2 lakh to preference shareholders account. That will be the third journal entry. That is what I have written here. 8% preference share capital account data 1 lakh, 7% preference share capital account 1 lakh earlier they had paid, now we have corrected 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, it will be 2 lakh. 2, and also we are redeeming preference shares at a premium of 10%, correct? No, so what you need to do, 1 plus 2 lakh, it will be 3 lakh. 3 lakh into premium is how much? 10%. So if you do, we'll get 30,000. So 3 lakh 30,000 to preference shareholders account 3 lakh 30,000. See, if there is no premium, then it will be 3 lakh. 8% preference share 1 lakh, 7% preference share 2 lakh, to preference shareholders it will be 3 lakh. Since we have premium, so 3 lakh 30,000. Next, look at here in this question, there is no issue of new shares. There is no issue of new shares. So ignore step number 3. We'll go to step number 4. Is there any sale of asset? Yes, we have sale of asset. That is, look at the book value of investment. Investment book value is how much? 1 lakh, but this investment will be sold for how much? 95,000. So the simple entry will be bank account data 95,000, P&L account loss 5,000 to investment account 1 lakh. Now look at here, bank account 95,000 to P&L account loss 5,000 to investment 1 lakh. Even if you want, you can interchange these items. Okay, even if you want, you can interchange these items. And now look at here, we have capital is how much we have? Sorry, we look at, so we are done with step number 4. We'll go to step number 5, that is transfer of divisible profits to CRR account, which is equal to nominal capital of preference share. Now my question is, look at here, see, the nominal capital is how much? 1 lakh plus 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Here they are not issuing any shares. So what you need to do, you have to transfer to nominal amount should be transferred to CRR account. See here, divisible profits we have. General reserve is divisible profit, P&L account is divisible profit. So 60,000 plus 90,000, it will be 1,50,000. Okay, 1,50,000. And look at here, we have got a loss. You can't transfer full 1,60,000 because no, you can't transfer 1,50,000 because we have a loss also. How much loss we have? 5,000 loss we have here. So first you minus loss, P&L account 90,000 we had, right? So 90,000 minus 5,000, if you do, we'll get 85,000. See, you don't have to worry, even you can show it in, what is that, you can minus and reserve and surplus. But since we will not be having any general reserve or P&L account, we will minus here only. P&L account 85,000, general reserve 60,000. Look at here, both are here only. P&L account 90 we have, loss minus 5,000 we should minus, and general reserve 60,000. If you minus these two, then we will get 1,55,000. The same will be transferred to CRR account. Look at here. Sorry, 1,45,000. I'm sorry. 85 plus 60, it will be 1,45,000 to capital redemption reserve account. And the next one. See, we need to pay premium over here. How much premium we need to pay? 30,000. And look at question. Here we have security premium, how much? 80,000. To pay 30,000, already we have 80,000. That means we have sufficient security premium. So simple journal entry. Security premium account data 30,000 to premium and redemption of preference share 30,000. Being premium and redemption of redemption paid from security premium. Done. Now look at here, the last payment entry you need to pass. Total how much is created? 3,30,000 is created, preferential loss. But in the question, at the end of the question, they have given all payments were made except to 60 shareholders who could not be traced. See, they have done payment to all the shareholders, but they have not done payment to 60 shareholders. Look at here now. Here we have 10,000, here we have 30,000. Total 30,000 shareholders we have. They are making payment to all the shareholders except 60 shareholders. So your calculation should be 3,30,000 divided by, which is very important, please remember. See, 3,30,000 we have, correct? No, that is for how many shares? So 3,30,000 shares we have. That is for how many shares? 30,000 shares. they have not done calculation for, they are not going to make payment for 60. Like that also you can do. 3,30,000 divided by 30 into 60 share if you do, you will get 360, or you can do like that. 3.3 into 3.3 lakh minus 60 into 10 rupees. The face value is how much? 10 rupees. So it will be 600 plus premium 10%. It will be 60. You can do however you want. So you can do like 3,30,000 divided by 30,000 into 60. This is simple, I guess. Okay. If you do like that also, you will get answer. Or see, 30 ones are KK will, I mean 30 ones are 11s. So 60 11s it will be 660 only. Okay. You can do like this also. See, they are making payment for all the shareholders except for 60 shareholders. That means 3,30,000 minus 660. If you minus, how much we will get? So 32,93,000. Sorry, 3,29,340 we will get. The same amount should be paid to preference shareholders. Preference shareholders account at our to bank account 32,9340. Okay. Next, they are also issuing bonus shares. Okay, now look at here, bonus shares. So bonus shares, how many shares the company is having? 20,000 shares. So for every one share means 20,000 into 10 rupees, it will be 2 lakh. They require 2 lakh to issue bonus shares. But look at here, in CRR account we have got only how much? 1,45,000 we have. Okay, we have got only 1,45,000. That means we are having a shortage of how much? 55,000. And those should be taken from, see, that amount should not be taken from security premium. That should be taken from capital reserve. Look at capital reserve, how much we have? 70,000. Out of 70,000, we can take 55,000. Done. So that same amount should be transferred. Capital redemption reserve account 1,45,000. Capital reserve 55,000. If you minus the balance, that will be transferred to bonus to shareholders 2 lakh. And the last one, bonus to equity shareholders account, it are 2 lakh to equity share capital account 2 lakh. Being bonus shares transferred to equity capital account. That's all. We are done with all the journal entries, which are very, very important. Now we need to prepare balance sheet. Balance sheet of Vinod Limited. We'll go to equities and liabilities. See, earlier we have paid back 8% preference share. We have paid back 7%. Now we have equity share. Here we have 20,000 shares, and also in the previous bonus shares has been, bonus shares also we have issued, correct? No, that is what is it? Here 2 lakh. 2 lakh plus 2 lakh, it will be 4 lakh. So simple, 40,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each, 4 lakh. Okay. Next we'll go to reserve and surplus. Under reserve and surplus, look at here, we had security premium 80,000. Out of that we utilized 30,000. The balance will be how much? 50,000. We have completely utilized general reserve, so no need to show. We have completely utilized, what is it, P&L account, no need to show. But under capital reserve, out of 70,000, we have utilized only 55,000. The balance is how much? 15,000. That should be shown under balance sheet. And current liabilities will be shown. Current liability value is how much? 1 lakh. The same amount will be shown. Look at here. Capital reserve 15,000 because 70k we had, but out of that 55,000 we have transferred to issue bonus shares. So 15,000, no general reserve, no P&L account because both are utilized. Under liabilities, non-current liabilities is not there. Directly go to current liabilities, 1 lakh. But thing is that you should be careful here. See, we have done payment to all the shareholders except for 60 shareholders. That is unpaid amount, and that is nothing but current liability. See, if they find those shareholders, then they need to pay. That will come under other current liabilities. Okay, that will come under other current liabilities. Look at here, other current liabilities, unpaid preference share capital, how much? 660. If you total, it will be 5,65,660. 5,65,660. Next we'll go to assets. So under assets we have fixed asset, correct? Now it's a non-current tangible. We'll discuss. Investment has been sold, so no need to show. Stock you need to show, debtors you need to show, and bank we will discuss. The same value, 4 lakh, non-current, current. The same has been written over here. So under non-current 4 lakh, tangible, intangible is nil, current asset stock for 40,000, stock 40,000. But when it comes to cash at bank, you should be careful. Look at here, opening balance cash at bank is how much? 2 lakh. And is there any bank account? No. Here we have 1 lakh. Here we have 1 lakh. Okay. So 2 lakh plus 1 lakh, 3 lakh. And here we have 95,000. That is 3 lakh 95,000. Okay. Next, we are making payment here in the last journal entry. So 3 lakh 29,940. You need to add all these items. See, 2 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 95,000 plus 3 lakh 29,340. If you do, we'll get 65,660. If you total, it will be 5 lakh 65,660, 5 lakh 65,660, which is very, very important. And the thing is that here you need to remember other other current liability, that is 660 uncalled amount, and this last journal entry. While making payment, we used to do all payment, but here we have not done for 60 shares. So if you remember this adjustment, this question will be very, very easy. I hope the concept is clear. If you have any doubt, please don't forget to text me through WhatsApp, and please do subscribe and watch. For any notification, further notification, you need to subscribe and click the bell button. Okay, thank you so much.